learners, today we are going to start with chapter 9, our dresses. As you all know, we wear different types of dresses according to the season or festivals or different functions. So, why do we wear different types of dresses? To look smart, right? So, in this chapter, I will tell you about the different types of dresses that is worn by women, men, and your headgear. As you know that in different states, people wear different type of turbans, right? Then western clothes and special dresses. So, our country, as you all know, our country has many landforms and climatic conditions. These factors, what they do, what they affect the lifestyle of the people, right? So, the food we eat and the dress we wear, it's differ from state to state and also from season to season. As you know that in the summer season, we wear cotton clothes, and in winter season, we wear woolen clothes. So, the clothing style differ from season to season also. In northern region, people wear cotton clothes to keep cool in summer, but in winter, what they wear? Woolen clothes to protect themselves from cold, right? When there is a freezy, cold night, what do we wear? Woolen clothes. So, dresses of women. As you all know that different women from different states wear different types of dresses. So, Indian women like to wear colorful dresses. Most of the women throughout the country wear sari, but the way they drape and style the sari, what it's do, it's vary from states to state. Like if we talk about the traditional dresses, like salwar kameez in Punjab, ghagra kurta with orni in Haryana, ghagra with kachi in Rajasthan, lehenga and choli in Gujarat. In cities and towns, women also wear what? Shirt, skirts and trousers. So, young girls of southern states wear long skirts and mundu with blouse. In Assam, women wear what? Mekhla chadar. The women in the northeastern states, what do they wear? They wear sari with the blouse. So, these are the different dresses you can see which is worn by the women of different states. Next is dresses of men. Some men wear kurta pajama, dhoti kurta, coat pant or pant shirt. So, the clothes men wear also vary from state to state. The men in cities mostly wear shirt with trouser. The other clothes popular with men are dhoti kurta pajama, lungi kurta. And men in West Bengal and Assam mostly wear dhoti kurta. In Tamil Nadu, what do men wear? Lungi. And what we call that lungi? Vesti. Kerala, we call it mundu. In Rajasthan, men wear churidar pajama kurta with achkar or angrak. People in towns and villages, what they prefer to wear? More traditional form of clothes. Now headgear, Punjab, they wear pagri, Haryana, they wear turban, and in Rajasthan also. So, men in different states cover their heads with different way. Turban and caps are used for covering the head, but turban of Punjab and Rajasthan or Haryana, they differ in style. Gandhi cap, which is popular in Gujarat, right? In Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, what they wear? Woolen or fur caps. Right? These are the different headgear you can imagine in the picture also. So, western clothes. People like to wear western clothes. Men wear trousers, shirt, jeans, t-shirt, jacket and tie. And what do women wear? Jeans, skirts, tops, scarves and straw. Next, special dresses you wear on weddings, festivals, right? So, in different communities, people wear different garments during wedding. You can see a Hindu bride and groom, what they wear? Lehenga and what? Sherwani. Christian bride and groom, gown and their coat pant. Sikh bride and groom, right? They wear different types of traditional dresses according to them. So, in this chapter, I have told you about the different types of dresses, what the people in the western region wear, what the people of different states wear, and the special dresses also. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Till then, keep learning and keep enjoying with me. Thank you.